What's up guys, it's Courtney. In today's video, I want to talk to you all about why no one is listening to your music. It's not because it sucks or it's terrible or any of those things. It's simply because you're not putting it out there. I know this for a fact. A lot of you will message me and be like, can you listen to this? I want to get some critique before I put it out. And then I give you critique and then sometimes you never put it out. And I feel like that does more damage to your growth as a musician than any good that could come from it. Also, I think that producers are in a mindset that they believe that no one will listen to their beats, which is simply not the case. You do not have to have an artist on your beats rapping or singing or any kind of vocals like that. You could simply put out instrumentals and people will listen to them. There are so many playlists on Spotify and Apple that are just completely instrumental based, whether it be lo-fi or ambient music to help people go to sleep or to meditate to. There are just so many avenues for producers who want to create instrumentals without having any vocals on them. And I believe that it's a very unsaturated market. And I feel like some of you might not have been aware of that. So I'm going to show you in this video how to get your music onto Apple, onto Spotify, onto Tidal, even TikTok even, because it's kind of blown up in the social media sphere and it's a great way for people to get recognized, especially musicians. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I do want to mention that this video was sponsored by DistroKid. I have been using them for the past 2.5 years. They reached out to me a couple weeks ago and asked about a video, and I said I would love to work with you guys on this. I'm super passionate about this service. I think it's a great way for musicians to get their music out there. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, so DistroKid has 3 service types. They have the Musician Plus, and the Label option, which all of these do essentially the same thing. They allow you to release unlimited songs, but what varies is the amount of artists that you can have under your account and seeing daily sales, adding a customizable label, and various other options. So the basic option, the Musician option, is $19.99 a year. The Musician Plus is $35.99 a year, and the Label option is $79.99 a year. Currently, I am using the Musician Plus option. I've been using this for about a year now. I just wanted to be able to customize my label name and my release date. I will show you the breakdown of those in the screenshot right now. But now let's move on and see how we just upload our music and how easy it is to do that. So let's go. So we're in the upload section, and as you can see, all of these stores are selected. I'm just going to keep them selected. For this example, I'm only uploading 1 song, but if you had more than 1 song, you would click this option right here, and you could select however many songs are on your project. My single has not been previously released, so I'm going to click no. My artist name is my name. And let's set this release date out by a couple of weeks. Actually, let's just do it a whole month out. So the 16th of January. And the reason we want our release date to be a few weeks out is because we want to have a chance to submit our track to Spotify and have them listen to it to see if they could add it to any of their editorial playlist. And I recommend putting your release out 2 to 4 weeks, preferably 4 weeks if you can. I'm going to keep it at 12 a.m. Put it on New York time, and then let's let people pre-order this. Let's keep the pre-order date to today's date. We will click here to add our artwork. The language is English, even though there are no vocals on this track. I'm just going to keep it at English. The primary genre is hip-hop. The secondary genre is probably jazz. The title is called Endless Nights. I did write this, so we'll keep that. And music and lyrics, we will put our name. There are no explicit lyrics in this song because there are no lyrics. This song is an instrumental, so we will put that. And we'll just leave this one on its default. We're going to keep the track price at 99 cents. We're going to go ahead and add it to Instagram and Facebook so people can use it in their stories, and that helps give you exposure. And it's free, so why not? Now lastly, all we have to do is select these options right here. And after that, you hit done and it uploads and it is in your store. You'll get a notification when it has been added to Apple or Spotify or Tidal. You'll get a notification in your emails when it's added to those stores. Keep checking your Spotify artist tab to see when they add it to that so you can submit to editorial playlists. And that is all I have for you guys today. I hope this video was helpful. If you're interested in trying DistroKid, I am putting a link in the description box below and you can receive 7% off of your service price. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure to hit that little bell so you get a notification every single time I post. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace